Alien.
Hello guys, I'm Jared the little goldfish. Hi, I'm Senya de Nemo.
And I'm Speedy Alice Gonzalez. Arriba!
Welcome to Aquatic
Hey there,
News.
I'm Roman, the aquatic alien, here to bring you this bit of information about the aquatic treadmill. This stainless steel piece of equipment, made to be submerged underwater with a rubber treadmill, is used mostly for benefiting populations found in facilities like physical therapy clinics, sports training centers, fitness training centers, as well as basketball teams, football teams, anyone who has sports-related injuries that want to reduce the impact on joints. Let's watch this short video that's coming up next about how the benefits of the aquatic treadmill work, and what it's good for, and who can be used.
I'm here with Tim Miller, the Director of Sports Rehab at St. Luke's Hospital, and Tim's going to take me through the procedures of using a hydro track. All right, bud, I'm going to have you step in here into our foyer area. It's like the point of no return. That's right. Do they ever wear anything on their feet? Most people go in barefoot. We've had a few people try to wear sneakers in there. They just get too soggy. Not hot tub material, but it's fine. What we're going to try to do for you for running in here is bring it up to about waist high, which will be about 50% of your body weight will be reduced. Wow. We find sometime for running, if it's too high up, you kind of float as you're going through. You can't really get that normal stride that you want to have in here. We'll just start a little bit of a walk so you can kind of get used to what it feels like to be in the water and on the treadmill. Now I'm going to increase the speed and you tell me when it feels comfortable to you. We have these windows that we can look through, so we're able to see what somebody's gait pattern looks like. You don't want to run through injuries. If there's something that is a mild ache or pain, it should be addressed early so that it doesn't turn into a chronic condition. Plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendonitis, IT band syndrome are kind of those key diagnoses that runners experience. If somebody had swelling of the knee joint, we can actually see that come down. For rehab purposes, you know, that's great to decrease the inflammation or swelling. But for the elite runner, it's going to actually aid in recovery. Exactly. Because you know, it's going to help drain that lactic acid, and it'll help kind of promote quicker recovery time. Yeah, I can definitely feel the buoyancy, but what I like the most is I guess the viscosity. With the pressure around my legs feeling almost like a massage as my legs go through the stride and get that support. 1638 miles, basically twice as slow from that 8-minute plus mile. I have to admit, the longer I'm in here, the more comfortable I feel. My right calf was a little bit of a concern this morning after doing a hilly run yesterday, and haven't felt it at all. If you're training with a goal of Boston or the Bethlehem half marathon with Runner's World magazine in the fall and you've got a bit of an injury, try the hydro track out so that you're able to stay fit, maybe even boost your endurance and get you there on time.
My name is Reggie Scott, and I'm the head athletic trainer with the St. Louis Rams. And first of all, I think hydrotherapy is an awesome tool to have. It's a key tool to have. And to be able to have hydrotherapy with a unit that allows you to have normal form running, and to be able to do lateral shuffling, back prone, all these things like that's normal to these guys. But obviously, be able to take the load off with the buoyancy of the water is instrumental in helping in the sports world. All right, so I get you up at 5 miles per hour. Good. All right, start. Here we go. Perfect. It's a great tool to use during the season to not put the season, towards the latter part of the season, when guys are kind of going through a little bit of challenge with recovery and things like that, we can get them in a pool and they still can get a good cardiovascular workout. 3, 2, good. Back down. Good, same thing. Active rest here. So we're able to get guys in there, especially a lot of your lower extremity stuff, obviously, and get them getting back to running and keep up with the cardiovascular a lot sooner than typically if we didn't have this. We got 5 seconds and we'll go right into the back pedal. Nice and easy. Good, back pedal. Remember on this now, work on the extension. Sometimes we use it just for pre-workout warm-up. Just kind of get here and warm up, something a little different versus kind of your bikes and things out there for warm-up. And sometimes we do it for cardiovascular, and sometimes it's just for gait training or running. Early stages of pro-style type things or ACLs and things like that, we just might do some walking just to work on some gait pattern things. So it really varies based on the injury. The players actually really do like it in comparison to the static kind of running in place in the normal rehabilitation pool versus the form running on the X80. So they love that aspect of it. Full 6 miles per hour with the jets, okay? You ready? And go. Got your time? Very good. Perfect. With these athletes, these guys can obviously run fast, they can move fast, so being able to have the ability to do that on the X80 has been helpful, especially with the jets that you get and really add the resistance. Obviously in our sports medicine world and rehabilitation aspect of things and athletic training population, there's a lot of different tools out there. This is one tool that I feel is heavily needed. I mean, I feel like an athlete training without hydrotherapy, you're just missing out on a big tool that really help you get guys back.
Hello guys, this is Andrea, the goldfish, coming to you live from the Aquatic News Therapy. First, I want to speak about the benefits of the underwater treadmill. It will help increase early range of motion. It will increase flexibility as well. Decrease joint friction. It helps increase the rate of healing of injured tissue. It increases strength. It increases cardiovascular stamina. It helps with overall conditioning, as well as relaxation of the muscles. And lastly, it helps decrease inflammation. These are some of the benefits of the underwater treadmill. Thank you very much for listening. I'll see you later.
Hello, my friends. It's me, Alex Speedy Gonzalez. Arriba! Now we're going to talk about who benefits from using this equipment. Guess what? We got our friends, athletes. This is a great equipment for athletes. Also, for deconditioned patients. It's also good for our friends with arthritis, as well as, those who eat a lot of taquitos and beer, our obese people. It's a great equipment also for post-op patients for treatment, for ACLs, patients with decreased range of motion, or our CVA patients for shoulder subluxation. And for our patients with high risks of falling.
Hi everyone, this is Ksenia Denimo. Another breaking news from LaGuardia, the community college, our TV station. As required to mention, here we have the precautions and contraindication for aquatic therapy. One of them is fear of water. As well, we do have seizures, open wounds, and skin and airborne infections we need to pay attention to, bowel and bladder dysfunction, as well important as are respiratory, heart, and neuro condition. So I would like you to be aware of those precautions and contraindications which are very detrimental if it comes to patients' conditions. Thank you for listening. Nemo.
Hey everyone! Welcome!
Welcome!
My name is Roman, the aquatic alien.
Welcome to LaGuardia Aquatic Therapy Channel. So strange. So strange. So strange. So strange. So strange.